Now, speaking of AI regret, bank reverses decision to replace 45 customer service staff with AI chatbot. It also fired another AI, GitHub Copilot, after it produced mixed results in utilization and efficacy. Australia's Commonwealth Bank has decided not to fire 45 workers it planned to replace with an AI chatbot. It actually even apologized to the staff that it was planning to let go, and it removed GitHub Copilot usage because it found that it just didn't work out as well as they hoped it did. Yet another instance of AI regret, because these things are overpromised and they do not live up anywhere near to the promise. We've seen this happen with other companies too, who have regretted letting go of entire swaths of like entire departments, and they've regretted that decision. They've had to rehire, and I think as we enter into next year, 2026, we're going to see more and more of this because these AI systems have plateaued. Mark my words, and people are going to realize that they're not what they're all cracked up to be.